Hello friends, good evening. Welcome to my YouTube channel Code with Vikas. So friends, today I am going to discuss how to find the factorial of a number using Python in three different ways. So let's discuss the first method, which we all know, that is we can do using either any of the loop like for loop or while loop. So whenever we are using for loop, we are just I'm doing through function ways. So I have created one function named factorial, and here I'm going to declare a variable that is result, which will be initially declared as 1. Now I will write a loop like for I in range 1 comma n plus 1. N is the number of which we are going to find the factorial. So why we are taking n plus 1? Because n plus 1 is the because in range function first value is inclusive but last value is exclusive. That's why we are taking n plus 1. So now I am writing result into equal to I. That means result equal to result into I. Now I am returning the result for the factorial. So this is the first way. So here what happens now, in each step, in each loop, each iteration, the result has been updated with the latest value of I. Now at last it will return the result. Now the second method is our recursive method. So in recursive method what happens, we are just using the recursion. Recursion means continuously we are repeating the same method. So we are calling the factorial of the method until it becomes 1. So here is the condition is either n equal to 0 or n equal to 1. So it will return 1 because we know the factorial of 0 is 1 and 1 is also 1. Now otherwise it will find out the n into factorial of the n minus 1. N minus 1, suppose we are taking 5, then 5 minus 1 is 4. Then next step it will be 5 into 4 into 3. Like this way it will find out the factorial. Now the third way, and my favorite, is reduce function. So here what happens, we are importing the reduce function from functools. We are importing the reduce. Now we are declaring one function, that is factorial reduce, the return reduce. So what I am doing, lambda is a function, that is we can use lambda is a function in Python. So lambda x comma y, such that x into y, that means we are giving one range, that is 1 comma n plus 1. So suppose n is 5, then it will be 1 comma 6. So what it will do, it will reduce and it will give a single result. So these are the three ways in which we can find the factorial of the number. And my favorite is reduce, and please comment in the chat box which one is your favorite. Now I have written that name equal to main. As you know, it is the thread in Python, and whenever we are writing some piece of code, we can use this thread. And here I have calculated all the three functions. So first one is print factorial of number using for loop is factorial of num. Second one is using recursion, and third one is using reduce. So friends, this is all for today. I hope you enjoy the video. Please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel, and also don't forget to comment in the chat box that which one is your favorite. There is another way as well. You can comment in the chat box. Thanks. Bye bye, and press the bell icon for the latest updates.